Okay, this is my attempt to create a i2c version of the Panelolu 2. It hasn't really come out yet. I think it's in manufacturing right now, but I did use their Marlin firmware on the T3 P3 website or GitHub, and I had to make a few modifications which you see on the website. Maybe I'll post on the video. Basically what I used was the Adafruit LCD backpack, the Adafruit SD card reader, and I got an encoder and a reset button, I think from either DigiKey or... So basically what I did is did the same pin out as the Panelolu 1, which I think is what's being used in the Panelolu 2. Put 90-degree headers, female headers, on the backpack to mate with the LCD. The 90-degree male connectors, I used a 5-pin connector, removed the middle one, and then bent the other two so that I could use a standard 5-pin female connector on that later. For right now, it's just jumpered in there. There's a few pins that are not used on the SD card reader, and I removed the contrast and brightness, and in firmware I just turned the brightness all the way up, and then the contrast screw is right here on the back of the LCD backpack. So I may or may not put a hole in there for access later, but I went ahead and just adjusted that. Now it doesn't seem like it really needs to be changed that often. So let's power this up. Alright, there you go. It's a little bit new display and menu system in the Panelolu 2 version of the firmware. Maybe just the change in the main Marlin branch too, but I don't know. Alright, just to show you that it's working, here's my card menu. If you used one of these before, it's pretty much the same. You can see the temperature or the speed changes. And the reset button, I put it on the back just to make it a little easier to access. I'll just put a hole in the back of the panel that I can reach through and push this button here to reset it. And that takes about 10 seconds to actually restart. And there we are. We're all reset, ready to go again.